childhood feels so very far away. And others, I can almost see it. The magical land of my youth, like a beautiful dream of when the whole world felt like a promise, and the lessons that lay ahead yet unseen.
I can do it.
Just do your best. Pace yourself and watch.
Looking back, I wish I'd listened. Wish I'd watched more closely and understood. But sometimes you can't see what you're learning until you come out the other side. I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to everyone else. Because you're not the only one who has suffered.